Okay, guys, I've actually turned on the recorder this time. Alright, told you, real life here. I'm trying to get another video done. The Skidster is what I'm doing today. You need 2 black 260s and 1 yellow 260. And we're going to try and get this thing done. Okay? Take your black 260. Go ahead and blow it up. Find it so it's you know, you got 8 tails there. 8 tails, you got 8 fingers there. Okay. We're gonna make a 1-inch pinch twist. Ta-da! I made it. 5-finger bubble. Hold it. Bring it back up. Like so. Bring it back down. Match it up. 5-finger bubble. Bird body roll through. Ding, ding, ding. Up a bit. Another stretch. We're going to bring it back down. Okay, so you got, look how weird it is, okay? So we fix that by doing a roll through again. And you gotta roll through the right part. Here we go. Where am I? My blacks aren't doing so good today. It's actually got a slow leak.
I blame the weather.
My daughter says she blames the weather. It's raining pretty good. See if I can get... Alright. Okay? So you got that. So then you're going to do pinch twist down here. And another pinch twist. Okay? Secure that and break this off and tie it. Okay? Next is the yellow. So you got good hands width, so about 4 or 5 fingers. Good 5 fingers right there. So you're going to do a 1-inch pinch twist. 4-finger bubble. Another 1-inch pinch twist. So you got this. 3-finger bubble. 1-inch pinch twist. So you got this. 4-finger bubble. 1-inch pinch twist. Now you got this. 3-finger bubble. Bring it around. Connect. So now you got a bubble maker. Dip it in, bubble. Okay. A scoop. Okay. Now we're going to make the shovel part. I'm going to go 5 fingers. Pinch twist. It's good, you know, 1/2 inch pinch twist, not a big pinch twist. Okay, so then you're going to make the shovel part longer. So you want to make sure it's longer So, because you're going to make it, so when you're done with it, it bows a little bit. Just a little bit. You're going to then pinch it and it comes in a little bit like that. Okay, so we're going to go just another 5.5 fingers. Just a small, again, 1/2 inch bubble. 4 fingers. What did we do? 4 fingers? We did 4 fingers. We did 4 fingers. 4-finger bubble. And we're going to secure it here. Okay. Now again, this is my line work, quick and easy. Skidsters are small, dirt-moving vehicles. Really fun to drive, by the way, just so you know. Okay, so then you're going to cup it a little bit. Give it a little, so you got this scoop look. I know. So you should have something like this, okay? Take your black. And it fits nice and snug right in there like that. Okay? You take your other black, 260. We're going to go ahead and blow it up. We're not using a lot of it, not even using half of it. Okay, so we're going to do bubbles. This skidster is going to be on tracks. Or if you want to, you can put tires on it. You do the go ahead and do the loops. If you want to. We do tires? We'll do tires today. Other than that, you can also do it, because with tires you have to either squeeze across and then do the other tire, squeeze across, do the other tire. Here's the quick way. We'll do the tracks. Skid skirts come in all shapes and sizes. So you do a 1-inch bubble, 1-inch bubble, 1-inch bubble. Okay. Okay. So you got it down there. Then we're going to bring this puppy across. And you, okay, we're going to bring it across and match it up. Sorry, bring it across, match it up. Kind of builds, it builds up the skidster a little bit. Helps with the frame. I'm going to go ahead, twist it down. Got it secured on there. Then we're going to do a 1, 2, 3 bubbles. Okay? Put it around. And then we match this one up here so he has his little bumper. Got it? Okay, so 3 bubbles and 3 bubbles, and then you've got your skidster. And if you put pinch twist there, you bring it down and up. Okay? You can leave this on here, it'd be a big antenna and a remote control, but we're not going to do that. So we break it off, and only because, seriously, I always believe in little bubbles. Okay, I love it. Okay, we're going to tie this off. I learned tying these off when you can, tie them off, okay? Because you're going to need that. The pressure, after you're done, you might have to readjust this, or you might want to put this on after you do this, because while you're working with this, it does come up. But here is a very quick, very easy line work version of a skidster. I apologize it took 10 minutes to tell you this, but seriously, no. Boom, boom, boom. This thing can be done in no time. It is not a 10-minute deal. I'm showing you, this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, you guys have fun. God bless. Keep it real.